Making seafood stuffed shells.
Let's get to it.
I have a quart of heavy cream, 6 ounces of baby spinach divided in half. I have Lagostino lobster tail, 1 pound divided in half. I have 12 ounces of jumbo shells, which I'll boil and reserve a cup of the pasta water. 2 6-ounce cans of lump crab meat, 1 for the sauce, 1 for the stuffing. I have Red Lobster seafood seasoning. I'll use about a tablespoon and then I'll season to taste. I have 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, 1 bell pepper, 1 large onion, which I'll use half, 1 pound of medium shrimp, which I divided in half for the stuffing and the sauce, 1 store-bought 16-ounce lobster bisque, 1/4 cup of minced garlic, 2 cups of Parmesan cheese, 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. Saute the onions and pepper. Add about a tablespoon of your Red Lobster seasoning, tablespoon of garlic. Okay. Then you're going to add your shrimp and Lagostino lobster. Transfer your stuffing mixture to your block of cream cheese. Add your 1 cup of mozzarella cheese and a ½ cup of Parmesan shredded cheese. Once mixed, fold in 1 can of your crab meat. Boil your shells according to the package and reserve a cup of the pasta water once they're done. For the sauce, we're going to start by melting a stick of butter and adding 1/4 cup of minced garlic. Then we're going to add the seafood, starting with the lobster tails and the shrimp. Give that a quick saute. Add about a tablespoon of the Red Lobster seasoning. And at the end, we'll salt and pepper to taste. Once the seafood turns pink, add your heavy cream. Let it come to a simmer. Sauce has come to a light simmer. Now I'm going to add the Parmesan cheese. Salt and pepper to taste. Now add your lobster bisque little by little. It's going to start maybe about half. Give it a taste and see if you want to add more. But this gives it a nice lobster flavor. Add the other half of your spinach and let it wilt. And at the end, fold in your crab meat. And you can use as much crab meat as you like. So the reserved pasta water is for if your sauce needs thickening. It looks thick, so I won't use the pasta water. Begin stuffing each individual shell and place the stuffed shell into a lined baking dish. Pour your sauce over your shell. Once covered in sauce, take the other cup of mozzarella cheese and cover. Okay, before we put it in the oven, we're going to cover it with foil. Place in a preheated 400-degree oven and let bake for 40 minutes.
Delicious. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment.
Enjoy.